Okay, and that was the sound test. It sounds nice and little clicky switches, nothing too loud. They're very mild with the clicks, so personally, I don't really hear it when I'm using it while I'm gaming or talking to people online. You don't really notice it, really. It just kind of depends on your headphones. If you got some open back ones, it might be a little bit. You might hear it, but it's nowhere near some of these switches and these mechanical keyboards out there, especially blue switches. Those are horribly loud, and this is going to be nothing close to that.